DigitalBix Fashions. A full-time beauty and fashion blogger, Lisha Batta's blog Heart Bows and Makeup is an insight into trending products and looks. She is latched to all things girly. She calls herself a skater, which is why it's safe to expect the unexpected from her. Here is a list of top 5 Lisha Batta's looks and styles. Number 1. Pop the Polka. Polka dot is one trend that has surpassed the test of time. Lisha wears this timeless print imbibed into a pair of wide leg pants paired with a blue crop top and red heels. Number 2. Flooded with fur. The backdrop may be yummy, but Lisha is definitely yummier. She wears a mauve fur jacket with a solid black top and flared jeans. She levels up this ensemble with a beaded hat and skinny sunglasses. Number 3. A little pink, a little girly. Lisha is all flattery in this pink top featuring ruffled sleeves paired with beaded trousers, a boss clutch and strappy heels. This look will bring out your feminine side for an upcoming lunch date. Number 4. Drop Dead Poise. Lisha combines solid pieces in luxurious hues to create an elegant outfit. She clubs deep green trousers with a black top, red heels and a velvet bag. Number 5. Shirt Dress. Lisha is mastering casual clothing at its best. She opts for a denim shirt dress matched with white sneakers and half bun. This one is bound to channel the vibes of a college-going lass. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel DigitalBix Fashion.